using VLOOKUP to find your data in Excel. What if I told you there is a better and flexible function called Xlookup, the ultimate lookup function in Excel? So if you are ready to level up your Excel game, stick around till the end. Let's dive in. Now, before we jump into Xlookup techniques, let's compare Xlookup and VLOOKUP. To find the name of the employees, with the help of VLOOKUP, I will type VLOOKUP, lookup value, and then I will have to select all the data here, comma, and then I will have to specify the column index number, which is the employee name. So if in this situation, it's number 2 from left to right, but another situation, like in real scenario, there are a lot of columns, so you have to count it and then specify. So I will head to Xlookup and I will get the value in my own range of 100. But in Xlookup, you don't need to specify the column. It's more flexible. You just select the column. Lookup array. We select the lookup value and then we have to lookup array. The lookup array is this one. And then what do you want to return? You just have to select that particular column. And I will get the same result. So let's try it one more time. Xlookup. Lookup value is this one, comma. Lookup array is this one. Okay. F4 is important to fix the area to drag down, and then the return array is also because I want these columns to be fixed, not mine. And there is another option, if not found. If you refer to our previous video, we have to handle the error with another formula, IFERROR. But here we don't need to add another formula. We just need to add if not found already built in. No records. And there are other two options which we will be explaining in upcoming example. And that's it. Let's move into later advanced. Reverse lookup. Find the employee ID of Eva Martinez and Ethan Tyler. Okay, in VLOOKUP we cannot do that. We cannot go on reverse. But in Xlookup we can do anything. A lookup value. The lookup array is this one. F4 to fix it. And the return array in VLOOKUP we have to select like the column number from this data to the right. But in Xlookup we can select the left as well. So I'm selecting this F4 and comma. And I am finding the data in reverse. Now let's move to a little more advanced function, which is two-way lookup. Like we want to find the sales of Emma Jones and Eva Martinez in March. Like the March value, like we want to find this value from Emma and Eva Martinez for this value. So in VLOOKUP, I don't think so. I have no idea if you can do that. But if you do, you have to combine multiple other formula. But in Xlookup, you have to just Xlookup. Xlookup. Our lookup value is this. And what is the lookup array? It's this F4. And then now we don't want to enter the return array. We will have to specify another criteria, which is again you will go for Xlookup. So you need to specify a lookup value which is March. The lookup array is this. You will find this mark in this array, and then we will specify the return array, which is this F4. And we will have to, if these three are optional, if in the bracket, then you can leave those options. Okay, what's wrong here? Oh, you need to fix this, then it will work. So here we go, 730 for Emma Jones, Emma Martinez for 790. Now let's look up how do we return multiple values, like find the name, department, and salary of employee ID 107, 108, 109. If you remember in our previous video, we also can find this with the help of VLOOKUP. But here it is more easy than VLOOKUp. Xlookup, lookup array, and then the return array should be now 3 column. Okay, 4. I want to fix this as well. 4. And we have it. Orlando, 3 Noah Davis, IT 63,000, Eva Martinez, and so on. Okay, let's move one step further. Here we will have to use a wildcard search. A wildcard search is like an area we use that where we don't have the complete data for the data to find the complete information. So we use an asterisk or a star-like function to find a wildcard. We use that to find the data. So I'll go Xlookup the lookup value is here. We have found the name and department of an employee whose name contains son. So we are here we have incomplete information. So what we're going to do, we will use a star. So we are specifying that the son is not a complete name. If it's a complete name, then there is a issue. We have to just enter a date or specify date. And what is the lookup area? You want to find it here. The return area should be both this column, comma, and if not found, I don't want to specify anything. Not found, just a blank sketch. And now here is the third, a second option, which is 0 for exact match, -1 exact match or like smaller, exact match or like larger. And here the 2 is part wildcard character. So we will use 2 and hold enter and lookup. We have found our data Olivia Wilson and the department is HR, which is this one. So there is no SON anything. Like if we change this to Taylor, LOR or TAY, then like just LOR and get even Taylor. And that's it, folks. You just unlock the full potential of Xlookup in Excel, from two-way lookup to error handling, reverse lookup, wildcard searches, and you now have everything you need to master this powerful function. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more powerful Excel tricks. Thank you for watching.